Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT Deep Research. So basically, ChatGPT Deep Search is an experimental feature available to select users of ChatGPT. It enhances your ability to get deeper, more accurate answers by intelligently searching across reliable web sources. So this will allow trigger deep search. You can just type your question. For example, you can ask some unique or hard question. For example, explain the latest advancement in quantum computing and then press enter. Now compared to ordinary ChatGPT or ChatGPT, let's just say ChatGPT Plus, this deep research feature will perform a deeper web-based analysis. Deep search will return a refined and more detailed answer compared to the search button or normal search button here on ChatGPT. As you can see, it takes time because deep search or deep research will see links and summaries from high quality websites. So, when to use deep search when you need up to date information? For complex research level questions, when the standard answer seems too vague or surface level. So you can ask more and you will be amazed with the result of how this deep search gather information from different sources. So if you're not seeing this option, it's likely not rolled out to your account yet. So OpenAI is gradually testing this with enterprise users. So basically, that's how easy it is to use ChatGPT Deep Research. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.